Is your home feeling dusty, stuffy, or less comfortable than it should? Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning helps Franklin homeowners breathe cleaner air and keep essential home systems running safely. Our air duct cleaning service removes dust, debris, mold, and other contaminants from your HVAC system. Clean air ducts can support better indoor air quality, improved HVAC efficiency, and reduced allergy or asthma triggers. Learn more at https://cleaning-duct-cleaning.com/air-duct-cleaning-in-. Franklin/ we also provide professional dryer vent cleaning in Franklin to remove lint, debris, and obstructions. A clogged dryer vent can reduce performance and increase fire risk. Regular cleaning helps your dryer run safer and more efficiently. Learn more at https://ecleaning-duct-vent-cleaning.com/dryer-vent-cleaning-in- Franklin/ choose routine cleaning for regular maintenance, or deep cleaning when there's heavy buildup, mold concerns, or years since the last cleaning. Our team is licensed and insured with verified professionals and years of experience serving Pennsylvania homeowners. From inspection to cleaning and sanitization, we focus on thorough service and a healthier indoor environment. Schedule your air duct or dryer vent cleaning in Franklin, Pennsylvania today. Call 484-367-5944. Visit https://ecleaning-duct-vent-cleaning.com/ecleaning duct and vent cleaning. Cleaner air, safer vents, and peace of mind for your home.